Hello, welcome to the Shopify PayRules app tutorial series from KlinKode. I am Eric, and today I'll show you how easy it is to hide payment methods at the Shopify Checkout using the PayRules app. First, go to the PayRules app and click on the Add a New Rule button. Now, click on the Add a New Condition button. You'll see all the available conditions, such as card amount, quantity, customer tags, shipping country, PayPal Express, and many more. Let's assume our store is based in Canada, and we want to show the cash-on-delivery payment option only for Canada and hide this option for all other countries. To do this, add the shipping country condition first. Then select Hide if not found, and choose Canada. This setup ensures that only customers from Canada can use the COD option on the checkout page. Next, enter a name for the rule in the Rule Name field for internal use. In the Select Payment Methods field, choose Cash on Delivery. If you have any custom payment method names you want to hide along with Cash on Delivery, you can add them in the Additional Payment Methods field. Since we've only used a single condition, Shipping Country, the Match Conditions field won't impact this restriction. We'll leave it as it is. Now, click the Save button. Let's test the checkout page to confirm it's working as expected. Please note that Shopify's API typically detects the customer's shipping country only after they complete all required shipping information. So let's add a demo shipping address from the USA. As you can see, the KOD option is not visible because only Canadian customers can see it. Now let's try a Canadian address. As expected, the COD option is now visible. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us via live chat or our contact page, where you'll find our WhatsApp and Facebook contact information as well. I hope you found this video guide helpful. Thank you for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!